Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in CSIRNet 2017. So our question is, let An be a sequence of real number satisfying A1 greater than or equals to 1 and An plus 1 is greater than or equals to An plus 1 for all n greater than or equals to 1. Then which of the following is necessarily true? So here the sequence an is greater than or equals to 1 and an plus 1 term is greater than or equals to an plus of 1 for all n greater than or equals to 2. Sorry, 1. So if we let the sequence an is equals to n, which is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we see the sequence satisfying this both condition, that is the sequence n is greater than or equals to term of the sequence an plus 1 is greater than or equals to an plus 1 and the sequence an which is equals to this n is unbounded sequence from above and below also, because if we take the sequence 1, 2 and 3 and so on, this is what it is bounded below but it is unbounded above, so it is unbounded sequence. Now if we reverse this, that is 1 upon an, we see if we reverse the sequence and form the series, that is 1 upon n, the reverse of this sequence is 1 upon n, and we know by p series test the series 1 upon an, that is equals to series 1 upon n, is divergent. The series is what? Divergent and is equals to 1 to infinity. By what? By p series test. So this two option get what? Discarded. And if we take the square of the series 1 upon n square, the series is, this is convergent series. Same by p series test. By p series test, as p greater than 1, the series is convergent. So this is wrong and this is correct answer. So by taking an example of the sequence, we can solve this solution very easily. So we have the idea of the example, where what example should be taken so that it is good for solving the question. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.